In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock email in Zoho Mail. If you've accidentally blocked an email address or a domain and are missing important messages, this guide is just what you need. We'll walk through the steps to ensure you can receive emails from those previously blocked senders once more. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Mail account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen, and there you'll find the gear icon, which represents the settings. Clicking this icon will take you to the Settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, navigate to the section titled Mail Settings. Under this section, you'll see an option called Anti-Spam List. This is the area where Zoho Mail helps manage and protect you from unwanted emails, but it's also where you can customize your list of blocked senders. Next, click on Blocked Senders. This will bring up the complete list of addresses and domains that you've previously blocked. Here, you'll be able to scroll through and identify the specific email address or domain that you wish to unblock. Once you have found the email address or domain you want to remove from the blocked list, you'll notice a trash icon or a remove option next to it. By clicking this icon or option, you're effectively telling Zoho Mail to unblock the address, allowing it to send you emails again. With that simple click, you've successfully unblocked the email address or domain, granting them permission to appear in your inbox once more. It's really that straightforward. A little tip to keep in mind. If you often find yourself blocking or unblocking emails, make sure to review your spam and blocked sender lists periodically. This will help you manage messages efficiently and avoid missing out on important correspondence. And there you have it. You've learned how to unblock an email in Zoho Mail. It's essential to remember that changes in your settings might take a few moments to take effect, so be patient if new emails from the unblocked sender don't appear instantly. Thank you for tuning in today, and as always, keep your email communications organized and stress-free.